Lahat ng asungot to. Shelter.
Taste it. Hey, hey, hey.
Give to other?
No.
You give other kids, diba? He said.
I'm strawberry.
Oh, yun na. You need to open first.
Why?
Open to daddy. Daddy, can you open please? Babalot natin. Ito pa. Puro chocolate na. Parang yung nanay lang may gusto nito, anak. Puro chocolate yung bibili ko. Lollipop. Yeah, I put them. Because it's gonna go the grapes. Grapes. Flush. Chocolate. Oh, put it on. That's yours, anak. That's yours. You're gonna put in the fridge. Chocolate.
I'm drinking.
Yeah. Hey guys, you say.
Hey guys.
What are you doing?
I'm eating ice cream.
And then, what flavor is that?
Purple.
Purple. It's yummy.
Well, I can eat it.
It's a cracker, anak.
I'll try cracker.
Impaka mo naman.
Mom, what's that one eating?
It's a buko.
What's this water mountain?
It's coconut. You know the coconut? Coconut nut.
Oh, wow.
Look, it's so... Stop.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys. You say.
Hi, guys.
Today is December. So, today is December. Magbabalot tayo ng candy.
Why? And eat candy?
No, that's not your... Di ba you said you're sharing your candy? So, magbibigay tayo ng candies. Candies rin to.
Spell down.
Okay? What is your name? You say hi.
Same color.
Zen Color. Wow. Igilid mo kaya bulin yung basura. Ay, no. Okay. Sorry. Favorite niya pala yung purple.
I wonder which one.
So, may
4.
7 or 8. 8 candy tayo na kakaiba. Iba-iba.
Stop.
Pang balot natin.
No.
Sa Shopee na bilis. Ay, sa TikTok pala. Tapos ito. Binili natin sa grocery. Full chocolate.
It's so hard. It's harder.
Ito pa. This one also.
Hello.
This one. Ang dami, diba?
Wow.
Mikmik.
I'm great.
Fruity. Nips. Pochi. Mga 10 candies yata to. Pochi.
Mom, what is 7
Mikmik.
candies, Mom?
Chocolate.
7. Last one. Next one is...
Goal natin ay 50 kids.
Wow. It's orange, green, orange.
Lagi tayo nagbibigay ng candy tuwing December.
Um,
Smile ka, Zen. Smile.
Mom, eat it.
Oh, wait.
Mom, what is that flavor, Mom?
It's a grapes.
Wait. Wanna eat it?
Oh, you smile like that. Dito, in the camera. You see the camera.
Mom, was Mama and eat it and she's green.
Teka, may nangunguna na agad. Later, we gonna be ano pa first.
You done?
Ito, balot ito.
And she's
I-separate muna natin. Meat. Mga gunting mundo. Meat.
Hey, what's that opening, Mom?
It's opening, anak. Pochi. Wala, nahulog mo na. Okay, ang cute ng pambalot natin. 50 pieces na tre. Tapos 50, ano lang yata. Tapos 50 pesos. Hindi kasama dito. You open it?
No, and then what's the other one in the bag?
No?
Over here.
Ayun. Mag-play? Mama, ako na.
Mama, I can eat it.
Kunin mo yung bag nila na makulit. Yan pa dun.
Mama,
Walay natin.
can eat, Mom.
Yes, wait, anak.
Mama, eat grapes.
Later, anak.
That one. And we did,
Wait,
Mama.
anak, wait. Puro chocolate pala yung pinagbibili ko, no? Parang ako lang nga itong bilis nito.
Mom, I can eat it.
Hoy, umawat ka, Day. Nagugulo ka na naman.
Mom, eat it. Mom, eat grapes.
Ano nga lang yun?
It's so tasty. It's so squishy. Yeah. No, I don't want to put it in
No,
the
no,
bag.
ako.
No, I don't want to put it in the bag. No.
I-pause mo nga yung camera na lang para mas maano. Hindi. Magulo.
Mom, what is so many flavors?
Because you get give the other kids devices.
Please, Mom.
Oh, don't touch it.
Mom, this is so sweet and so sweet.
Yeah.
It's so sour.
Tama na, gusto mong bubukas ka pa?
And more like sticky. You see, I saw it. It gets like sticky. And so like And what is that?
Lollipop. Tama na, last na to. Oh.
What is that shape, Mom?
It's I think that's a rectangle. Or a square. One, two, three,
No,
four,
Mom. No, Mom.
five,
Mom. No, Mom.
six. No, anak, no. Bakit ba? Sabi mo magbibigay ka, tas no. Binabalot ko na nga eh.
Nabawi na daw niya.
I'm gonna close it.
Ay, bakit magka-close ka ng door? Bad malo. Hindi niya daw ibibigay.
Natikman niya na isa't isa. Ay, libre yung kulit at ibang kuha. Tapos hindi siya tinuturing lang siyang ano, parang normal school lang. Kawawa naman eh. Tapos yung iba niyang kapwa Naruto, ano,
Why?
I don't want.
Why you don't want?
I don't want to eat other candies.
Dilim na oh.
Please. More grapes. Ay, dami na.
Huwag mo ito play. Isa. No.
Patay mo nga yun.
Ayaw niya na mag-share. Ang dapat mo ah.
I'm close to it.
Why you close the door?
I don't want
You said other kids gonna give you other candy because it's Christmas. Diba you're the Santa?
I'm not Santa.
Hindi na siya sa Santa Claus, man. Ayaw niya na magbigay, man.
No.
It's okay. That's yours.
Mom, I don't want to get an ice cream.
Okay, not na. Huwag na yan. No. Don't touch it. Don't touch it na. Ito yung isang bukas din. Hindi mo alam. Hindi ako tatapanan. O, tama na. Diyan mo lang.
Mom, I can eat it well. And it's only cookies.
Tama na. Iniinaawat mo ko dito sa pagbabalot. Ikaw ah.
ka.
Ah!
Ba? Saan mo kakalin? Pero mo ka kakalin dito na.
Kaya pag napusan nila lahat, ano, merong dagdag na kalat na ano tayo. Yun.
Oo, ano na yun? Paano yun?
Dami. 50 pala talaga siya. Sobra lang yung candy.
Shake, ang drop.
Jen, dali ka! Jen, picture! Jen,
Bye.
smile ka, bilis. 50 pieces lahat ng nagawa natin. May sobra pang candy. Hindi ko alam kung gagawa pa akong chip bags. Pero sakto din sa bata.
Bala ko nga.
Ayos natin. Tsaka ko siya itatali. Dapat nakagano siya. Dadagdagan ko siya ng sticker. Ganyan. Itali mo siya. That. Ayan. Talalagaw mo siya ng sticker kaya hindi ko muna
Ay,
itatali.
gagi! Bawal mag-repeat ang ikot. Nakabawal ako.
Anak, makuryente ka.
Nakabawal ako.
The next day.
Ang laman, pakita mo. Ang best in rapper, Daddy, PJ. Makulit. Nakailang lipat na siya dyan. Your Santa?
Yes.
You gonna give other kids? Yes? No?
No. No.
Oh, no. I thought you're Santa.
No. No, Mom.
You know, hindi mo gigive nga rin yan. Oh, be careful. Careful, anak.
Oh, right there.
Mm. Oh. Yan, babalik niya dyan. Tapos ilalagay niya ulit dito. Tapos ibabalik niya ulit dito. Hindi ko alam kung paano to.
100.
No, di ba? Nangihingi pa ng 100.
Mom, small, Mom.
Yeah, that's small. Oh, it's okay. That's a small. You have a give if you have a small.
Mom, small.
Where's the other candy? You gonna give the kids?
Maybe here, Mom.
Very good. Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch it. I'm gonna wrap it pa. You say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe 6, 7.
Lolo, paano pakit? Pogi nga, pogi. Wow, sus, grabe naman yan. Ay, grabe. Wow, smile. Iba-iba yan. Ganito. Nalagay siya pa.
Now, there's me now. Wow! Halo. Welcome sa ating lahat. Good evening po.
Bonus! Ang daming ampa! Lagyan kaya natin yung peking pera. Kasi bibili nila, no?
One,
2,
three,
4, 5.
five.
Ganda ng fireworks naman. Sana bumaba pala tayo kanina. Siyempre, gusto ka nang makita ko. Pagpatak na alas 6, siya kanila yung ano eh.